After leading the implementation and re-implementation of multiple ERPs across various industries, I have realized one thing very clearly. Majority of the implementation projects are failing or it is getting extended beyond a particular timeline. This happens because the day one objectives are not very clear to any stakeholder within the organization or outside the organization. You need to be very clear that who is your implementation partner and whether you have a very strong techno-functional team. Instead of aiming for perfection, the first thing what you need to achieve is streamlining your entire order to cash cycle, automating it precisely and framing it in such a way that your ERP is catering to this particular need. And the next step is basically to focus on the outflow, that is the P2P process. You need to lay down very clearly that what are the key objectives that you need to achieve by implementing the P2P process across your organization as a part of this ERP implementation. Any organization can scale, any organization can survive only when there is data-driven decision making. So one of the key objectives should be streamlining your budget, streamlining your MIS, streamlining the way in which you do your business. Identify your ERP dream team. Now, if you assume that the people who are going to do your operational role and people who are going to handle the ERP implementation project are going to be one and the same, it's a recipe for failure. Remember, the key to successful implementation is not having only the right set of technical partner. You need to have a very strong techno-functional team who is able to communicate between the users and the technical partner to make your implementation successful. The mantra is, users are clear what to expect out of the system and the technical guys are clear that what the users want. That is what is the gap which needs to be filled by this techno-functional team. The success of any ERP implementation resides in effective communication, a well-balanced approach between catering to the user needs and catering to the technical requirements. If you are looking for a holistic solution roadmap to implement or re-implement ERPs in your organization, get in touch with us.